Okay, so conversion factor method. I'm going to set this up. I have only one number given, so it's obvious what I want to put in this first box. Okay, and then that tells me what to put below on the next step. Down here, I want to make sure I'm canceling that seconds, so I'll put seconds there. And then I say, well, what do I go to next? And on this one, I could say, you know what, I don't know how many seconds in an hour. And if you do, that's fine, you could use it. But I do know how many seconds in a minute, and then I know how many minutes in an hour. So that can be a way as well. So I'm going to go to minutes next. Since I know how many seconds in a minute, it's 60. So seconds will cancel. I'll go to minutes next, and then to hours. And I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And then this is one that you need to do to make sure you're entering it on your calculator correctly, because there's a common mistake on this one. So when I do this, I get this is what my calculator gives me, something like that, but I need to think about significant figures as well. On this problem, we need to realize that these numbers, the 60s and the 1s, are exact. Because that's how we defined the time. We didn't define it almost 60 seconds per minute. We decided that it would be exact. So for sig figs, I ignore all of these exact numbers, and I'm going to just look at the fact that this number has 3 sig figs. So my answer should be rounded to 3 sig figs as well. Another thing about this one, when you enter it on your calculator, make sure that you're dividing both of these 60s. Sometimes people will put in this number divided by 60, and then they do a times for the second one. And that's not right, not the way your calculator works it. It does that calculation when you do these, and then this one. Now, it may be different if you have a fancier calculator where you have an algebraic entry, then it may be different. So check and see if you're getting my answer the way you're doing it is fine.